Is it the right time to buy or sell Google stock? Today, we'll be taking a deep dive into Google. We previously published a report on our website on Friday, November 24, 2023, and now we're back with an even more detailed analysis just for you. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell so you can stay up to date with our latest analysis. Missing out on important updates could have a significant impact on your investments. Supercharge your trading decisions with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. Gain access to free price predictions and in-depth analysis for over 25,000 companies worldwide. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of November 14, 2023, our system has identified Google as a buy candidate, with a score of 1.99. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. The stock has experienced a gain of 2.3%. This means that, on average, it has generated a return of 0.29% per day since it was identified as a buy candidate. Currently, the stock is in a wide and horizontal trend. Typically, this would indicate a good selling opportunity. However, if the stock breaks through the top trend line at $139.32, it could signal a strong buy opportunity and a shift in the trend. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a potential minus 1.76% change expected over the next 3 months. The possible return could range between minus 12.74% and 0.132%. Analyzing the 12-month trend, it suggests a 58.08% change over the next year. This indicates a potential return between 46.04% and 70.3%. In other words, the price could range from $199.62 to $232.78 after a year. Our latest update on Google shares reveals a decline of 1.3% on Friday. On the last trading day, Google's stock price dropped from $138.49 to $136.69, a decrease of 1.3%. Throughout the day, the stock fluctuated between a low of $135.99 and a high of $138.12, with a variation of 1.57%. It is worth noting that the stock has experienced a positive trend over the past 10 days, rising in 7 of them. In the last 2 weeks, it has seen a growth of 4.95%. Interestingly, the decrease in trading volume aligns with the decline in stock price, which suggests a favorable market behavior. Specifically, the trading volume decreased by 5 million shares on the last day, with a total of 12 million shares being bought and sold, amounting to approximately $1.68 billion. Looking at the past 52 weeks, Google's stock reached its highest price at $141.22, and its lowest price at $84.86. Currently, the stock is 3.21% or $4.53 below its 52-week high. Moreover, it is 94.42% or $2,312.23 below its all-time high, which occurred on June 14, 2021, when the price reached $2,448.92. Today, let's take a look at some recent analyst ratings for Google, the stock of Alphabet Inc. On Thursday, November 2, 2023, Oppenheimer gave Google a perform grade with a hold action. Moving on to Wednesday, October 25, 2023, Morgan Stanley gave Google an overweight grade with a hold action. Let's go back a bit to Friday, October 13, 2023, when Macquarie also gave Google an overweight grade with a hold action. And on the same day, KeyBank gave Google an overweight grade with a hold action. Finally, let's go back to Tuesday, October 10, 2023, when Wells Fargo gave Google an equal weight grade with a hold action. Analysts have given Google stock a general buy rating. They rate the P/E ratio as strong buy and the price to book as strong buy. In terms of return on investment, the analysts give the stock a neutral rating. Let's analyze the signals for Google stock. Google stock has received buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal from the relation between these two signals, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. In case of corrections down, there will be support from the lines at $136.47 and $133.57. However, if the stock breaks below any of these levels, it will issue sell signals. Moreover, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. On the other hand, some negative signals have also been issued, which may have an influence on the near short-term development of the stock. Specifically, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Wednesday, November 22, 2023, resulting in a decline of -1.30% so far. It is expected to further fall until a new bottom pivot has been found. Furthermore, the volume decreased along with the price during the last trading day, which reduces the overall risk, as volume should follow the price movements. Today, I want to share with you some interesting signals to watch out for in the stock market. Moving average convergence divergence, it's currently showing a buy signal. Pivots, this indicator gave a sell signal 2 days ago. Bollinger Bands, it generated a buy signal 20 days ago. Short-term moving average, a buy signal was observed 18 days ago. Long-term moving average, it also gave a buy signal 9 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, it indicated a buy signal 7 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart. Short moving average, it provided a buy signal 11 days ago. Long-term moving average, the buy signal was observed 15 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, it showed a buy signal 5 days ago. If you're interested in discovering more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Today we're going to talk about support, risk, and stop loss for Google stock. Support is an important concept in stock trading. It refers to a level where buying pressure is expected to outweigh selling pressure, preventing the stock from further decline. For Google, we can see that it has support just below today's level at $125.61 and $122.28. If the stock breaks below $125.61, the next support level to watch out for is at $122.28 and $122.17. However, it's important to note that when a stock is testing a support level, there is a natural risk involved. If the support level is broken, the stock may fall to the next support level. So, it's crucial for traders to monitor these levels closely. Taking into account the average movements of Google stock during the day and its trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. On the last trading day, the stock had a price range of $2.13 between its high and low, which is approximately 1.57% of its value. Looking at the past week, the stock has exhibited an average daily volatility of 1.59%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Google, let's first cover some important fundamental data. One key metric to consider is the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the P/E ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. This P/E ratio for Google falls within a normal range, which is often observed in businesses with established track records and predictable revenues. Now, turning to some recent news, the next earnings report for Google's fourth quarter of 2023 is scheduled to be released on February 1, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for this report stand at $1.60. It's important to keep an eye on these numbers as they can significantly influence stock prices. Today, we'll be discussing potential day trading levels for Google. If Google starts experiencing an upward trend, the first resistance level to keep an eye on is at $137.40. If you haven't purchased any shares yet, it might be a good idea to wait until this level is surpassed before entering a position. However, if you already own Google stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. On the other hand, if Google's stock price starts to decline, the first support level to watch out for is at $125.61. If this support level holds, it could present a great entry point, as you can anticipate a potential rebound from there. According to multiple analyst sources, Google has received a combined average rating of buy. Now, let's delve into some recent insider trades. On November 10, 2023, Hennessy John L. sold 45 shares of Class C capital stock. On November 10, 2023, Hennessy John L. sold 50 shares of Class C capital stock. On November 10, 2023, Hennessy John L. sold 105 shares of Class C capital stock. On October 13, 2023, Shriram Kavatark Ram bought 217,760 shares of Class C capital stock. On October 13, 2023, Shriram Kavatark Ram sold 217,760 shares of Class C capital stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power has been calculated as negative with a ratio of -70.259. Overall, insiders have purchased 1,162,054 shares and sold 7,306,305 shares in the last 100 trades. For this stock, we recommend setting the stop loss at $131.09, which is a decrease of 4.09%. This stock tends to have moderate daily movements, indicating a medium level of risk. We have identified a sell signal from a pivot top that was detected 1 day ago. Is Google stock a good buy? Based on our analysis, there are several positive short-term signals indicating that Google stock may present a buying opportunity. We believe there is a fair chance for Google stock to perform well in the near future. When analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems have determined that the current price of Google stock is undervalued. Looking ahead to trading on Monday, November 27th, we expect Google stock to open up $0.243 and begin trading at $136.93. Before we dive into today's topic, it's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. To make informed decisions, it's always wise to consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be your sole basis for investment choices. By accessing and utilizing the information provided, you acknowledge and accept full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we'll be discussing our current view of the stock. We value your opinion, so feel free to comment below and share your thoughts. We're also curious to know your target for the stock. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.